way back in the woods, way back where I shouldn't go, way back where the knotty pine fade away.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Simple Outdoors. Today it's going to be the Stealth Camping Alliance Challenge for November, where we have to cook something. I didn't get my backpack on yet because I wanted to scope out this place one more time before I actually go in. We have a restaurant here. We have a beautiful park with a pond right here in the middle of the city. And up here is a nature trail that goes around the little pond. I got a new gimbal that came in the mail. Well, my first gimbal I ever had that came in the mail. Came in the mail yesterday, so I'm still getting the kinks out of it and fine-tuning it, so bear with me. I'm just gonna walk in here. Main road's right there. Gotta watch out for ticks. I just wanted to scope it out real quick before we head in with a big old backpack. Restaurant doesn't seem to be very busy. There's the road. I'm gonna try out this gimbal for the first time today and see how it helps with the stabilization. I know it's probably nauseous watching the footage with that Walmart selfie stick. See, the pond's right over there, cuts around. There's always hikers and joggers and dog walkers here, but I haven't seen any the last few times I was here. See, this is the thick brush I was thinking we'd have to go through, but there is some clearings up ahead, some seats here. Look how close we are to that's the YMCA right next to the trail. And it gets a little thinner once we get in a little farther. So we can go in one of these clearings over by the water. There's the Y. Looks like yeah, a bunch of kids on the playgrounds. There's apartment buildings right next to the YMCA. See, it's pretty clear through there. Up further, it gets a little clearer. So it looks pretty good. So I'm gonna get my backpack. See if we can't find a good spot. We have a walker. It's pretty windy, but it's supposed to storm a little bit with rain later this afternoon. And rain all through the evening. Let's go get my backpack. And this is for the Stealth Camping Alliance November Challenge, where we have to cook something. Alright, let's see if we can do this. I walked back a little farther down the trail to get a nice open clearing. It's getting cloudy out. Wind is still pretty strong. It's gonna rain today. Okay, I don't see anybody. Let's go. All these leaves are going to make a lot of noise. There's the pond. Okay, I think I'm back pretty far by the water. I just want to stand here just to listen and watch for anything. I had to go around that fallen tree because I would have had to walk through all of that if I went in at the beginning of the trail. So I'm just gonna sit here and I don't think trail's over that little divot, so but with the leaves. Alright, take this backpack off. It's a little windy, but I haven't seen anybody, so I think it's safe to put up the tarp in the tent and relax before I make some dinner. Just gotta find a spot here, clear off some leaves. Go from there. There's no one out here because it's going to storm later this evening, so I'll bring you back in a little bit. Well, I moved farther back. I didn't see anybody else. I don't hear anything. The leaves are really loud. I decided to put up the tent, the tarp. I'm farther down than I originally planned, but it's good. So I'm just going to get situated here a little bit and then maybe cook that dinner. It was really windy today. It's supposed to rain tonight. It held off, so that's good. Got cloudy, so it's a little darker, and it gets dark around 6:30 now. So I'll bring you all back when I get situated. Okay, this is the Stealth Camping Alliance Cook-Off Challenge. I did prepare a few things at home because I knew it was going to rain and be pretty windy today. But we're going to make some pumpkin ravioli. I'm going to put the recipe in the description, but supposed to let this rest at room temperature for an hour so I made it at home. But basically it's 1 1/4 cup flour, 1/4 cup water, 1 egg, and some salt. Oh, that is nice. I had to bring the table and a heavy rolling pin. Basically, this here is Libby's pumpkin with some cinnamon, nutmeg, and brown sugar. Tastes just like pumpkin pie. So what you want to do is get the pasta dough nice and thin. Had to put up that extra tarp because it was so windy. This is a lot easier doing it in the kitchen than out here camping. Okay. So I'll put that right there. Roll that. And you have a ravioli maker. We'll see how it turns out. And then this makes the dimples. Don't want too much. Don't want to overfill it. Tastes just like pumpkin pie. That's delicious. And what you want to do is just moisten the edges a little bit, just so it gets a nice seal. You want to get it nice and smooth. A little pressure so it crimps it from the mold. There. Alright, I'm going to get this water boiling. I'm going to boil this up, and then we're going to make the brown sugar brown butter sauce with pecans to go over it. So let me clean up here, get this water boiling, and I'll be back. And we'll just pop these in there. And then you boil that for 5 minutes. You can freeze them, bring them out camping with you in a little cooler. Boil some water. 5 minutes later, bring a little sauce with you. These be good fried up too. Fried raviolis. They're coming along. Today I have the Java Monster Mean Bean. Now I got some crushed pecans. And a little brown sugar. Right, wind's picking up a little bit more. Sauteing up those pecans. A little sea salt. Ooh, smells good too. And a little black pepper. Delicious. What we're going to do is we're going to put those right in there. Ooh, they're hot. They don't look the greatest, but who cares? We're stealth camping. Get a little of that sauce there. Mmm. Oh my goodness. Mmm. Perfect for Thanksgiving in the fall. Oh, you really gotta try this. It's like pumpkin pie and a ravioli with a sweet pecan butter sauce. Oh my goodness. There. Right there. Look at that. Oh, that's heaven right there. Raviolis cooked perfectly. Nice and hot filling. Oh man. I'm gonna finish these and I'll be back in a little bit. Well, no one's come back yet. I haven't seen a single person. It's probably gonna rain. It's 6 o'clock. It's gonna get dark in about half hour, 40 minutes. So I'm just gonna hunker down in my chair. Probably go on my phone, watch some videos. Nothing exciting here. If anything exciting happens before I go into the tent, I'll bring it back. That dinner was delicious. I'm a little farther back than I originally planned when I scoped this place out last week, because I didn't really want to walk that far. Only wanted to walk into that hiking trail, you know, just for a couple of minutes down and then in. Wanted to be farther back in by the water. So I'm just gonna relax and maybe have a snack. I got brownies, the usual. So I'll be back. Well, it's starting to sprinkle, a little drizzle. It's about 7 o'clock. Got everything situated, organized, and it's supposed to rain for the next hour and a half maybe. But I'm just sitting here working on my phone, and that's about it. I don't know, I might make a little coffee. I got the little stove burner. So, nothing exciting has happened. So we'll see how it goes for the rest of the night. Well, I sat outside for a little while. Went on my phone, watched some videos. Started to rain a little bit when I was out there. I was underneath the tarp. Had no problems out here. So I climbed in the tent, and I might have a couple of snacks. I got some nuts and some brownies. The usual. The wind started picking up a little bit. Got a little cold out there, so I came in, put some dry socks on and some dry thermals. It's supposed to get down to 40 tonight. So I'm gonna climb into bed, and that's about it. So I doubt anything will happen during the night. If it does, I'll let you know. But I'll see you all in the morning. Then we can pack up and get out of here. So I'll see you then. Good morning, everybody. I slept pretty good. It rained a little bit last night, but the wind was really blowing. So nothing happened last night, and I'm gonna drink one of those monster coffees real quick and start packing up so we can get out of here. So I'll see you when we're out there. I'm all packed up, ready to get out of here. So let's see if we don't spook someone on the trail coming out of the woods. This has been the Stealth Camping Alliance November challenge of the cook-off challenge. So I'm gonna get out to the trail. I got a little walk to the trail because I went back further. But you know, oh geez, squirrel. And those leaves there, they haven't blown off yet. Okay, made it back. No one's out here. Good. Well, this has been Simple Outdoors. Thanks for coming along. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye, everybody.
There's a place where I go when I'm feeling this way. I go along all by myself. It's so far back you couldn't find it anyway. Way back in the woods, way back where I shouldn't go, way back where the knotty pine fade away.
It's almost like pizza dough, just without the yeast. My water tasted funny. Right there. Oop, I dropped a nut. Little spider.
Way back